Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of IMN's external intelligence platform. In this video, I'll first explain what IMN is and how it serves various roles across an organization. After that, I'll show you how simple it is to set up and how, in just a few minutes, you can generate incredibly deep, personalized intel reports on demand. Before we dive into the software, let's quickly recap what IMN actually does and who it can help. Section 1. What is IMN and how can it help me? One of our customers told us that IMN essentially reads your mind, knows you inside out, and builds a high-growth, low-risk business plan for you at the touch of a button. It keeps you informed of the absolute latest intelligence that matters to you, as if you had your own pro-research team, and then also guides you like a team of top consultants and senior mentors. And that is a good description. Essentially, IMN's core solution provides you with all of the information or intelligence that you need to know, such as market analysis, key information about your competitors, the news that matters to you, changes in regulations which affect you, updates on your supply chains, and virtually anything else from your external environment in just one easy-to-read, consultancy-style briefing. All at the touch of a button. It does not even need a prompt, yet it is so deeply personalized to you. And I'll show you how that happens in the demo in a moment. It also helps you keep updated about any subject you want to, a particular law, a person, a company, or find new leads and opportunities you might otherwise never be able to easily find. It then also provides you with useful guidance and ideas on how to deal with any of the insights it provides you. For example, how to respond to an aggressive competitor, or how to make the most of a rare new growth opportunity. It does a lot more than that, and we keep adding new features and products, but that is just a taster for now. Section 2. Setting up and using IMN. Okay, so let's look at how we set IMN up. Assuming you are already signed up, and if you're not, wait to the end for instructions on that. But assuming you are signed in, just click on the dashboard, which takes us to the back end. In the settings area, we have to spend a little time training IMN's AI engine and personalize it to your precise needs. This is a one-off step. You just have to do it once, after which you just click a button to generate your personalized briefings. It's that easy. Okay, so we now simply follow the personalization instructions from top to bottom and fill them in. IMN makes it easy by providing clear and detailed instructions at every step so that you don't have to switch pages to a help article. It's all here, in front of you as you go along. Super simple. Now, to start with, there's a useful feature here. You can simply enter your website address and press Analyze Website. The system will then automatically fill in your company details. For this demo, we've left that out and manually entered a fictional name, ABC Investment Corp, and set the persona as a general partner. You could set this for a CEO, a research analyst, a sales leader, or a founder, a CFO, marketing exec, a member of parliament, a diplomat, a national security analyst, virtually any role under the sun. It's just so adaptable. The idea now is to tailor the requirements to your specific role. So you now start by defining your top challenges. Here, for our investor profile, we've specified high-quality deal sourcing, specifically finding early and growth stage opportunities and identifying more LPs. You, of course, adapt this to whatever is relevant to you. Next, for competitors and benchmarks, you can either list them or instruct IMN's AI engine to find them dynamically for you, both big players as well as more nimble disruptors. And if you are, say, a national policymaker, an intelligence or military official, competitors can also be actual countries or jurisdictions. They could be influencers, public servants, lawyers, whatever you choose. After that, we also input growth opportunities, risks, and even your preferred organizational culture. Just read the questions and enter clear, precise instructions in each case, and then save this section before moving on to the next. And also remember, this entire process of personalization is just a one-off step. After that, you're done, unless, of course, you need to make minor updates or fine-tune the engine if needed as you go along, but that's easy and quick. Anyway, once this section is saved, simply move on to the next section. Now you explain your short, medium, and longer-term goals, explain what you're struggling with most, and even tell it where you need most help in your personal life. Say, time management, managing people, or much more personal stuff, personal matters you may need some guidance or best practice, some suggestions on. Again, you save this section and then move to the next. Only these first few sections are compulsory, and as you can see, the next sections below are all optional. The idea is that the more detailed your instructions, the more precise, the better your briefings will be. These optional sections, as you can see, cover KPIs, target profit margins, and other really useful facets of your business, such as critical suppliers or partners or trends or technology that matter to you, but which you may not even have time to think of during a busy day. What IMN does is make sure such crucial but often forgotten facets of your business are not lost sight of as you focus on more important matters. And I'll show you that part, what IMN does with all of these instructions, in the next section, of course. And all of this information, by the way, all of these personalization settings are completely private. Not even our team can see it. By the way, we have left many of these optional personalization sections empty. We just filled in the first few compulsory sections for this demo, but we strongly suggest you always fill in all of these fields for optimal personalization. Section 3. Custom Tracking and Predictive Tools. IMN's custom tracking boxes follow a similar logic and are extremely versatile and powerful. You can literally ask IMN to track anything that matters to you. Say a competitor, a law, a news story, a person, maybe a product, an industry, anything. Anything really that you wish to track. And IMN will get the latest updates on that, up to I think the past few seconds or minutes of news, and summarize it for you in a few sentences. Now, for this demo, we've included a tracker for the impact of the Iran conflict on our business because we're recording this in March 2026. So obviously that's a big deal right now. We've also added a tracker for out-of-the-box deal sourcing ideas and also a search for new LPs from India and South America who are seeking to enter the US market. We're also tracking very specific bits of information, such as the US president's latest stance on tariffs or, for that matter, on Cuba. You can use your imagination and really make the most of this to keep finding new leads that nobody else easily finds. You can use it as a mini growth guidance engine for your business. The sky is the limit, really, as to what you can do with these brilliant custom trackers. You, of course, save these and then move to predictive trend analysis. This can help you make intelligent predictions about the future. As you can see, we have instructed it to focus on high growth sectors to help us plan better. Again, you can adapt this to your industry or criteria as you see fit. Section 4. Generating briefings. Okay, so now for the part we've all been waiting for. We simply click on Generate Briefing to get our first intelligence report. It really is that simple. This usually takes a minute or two because IMN's engine is now processing so many data points. Fast forward a minute and a half, you can see our latest report has been generated here and is at the top of our library of briefings. Now, we simply click on it and at the top you see the user's name and persona. Remember, you could set this up for a CEO, a research analyst, a sales exec, a government minister, whatever. That basically goes here. This summary below, that provides a quick executive overview for your briefing. Below that, the Quick Insights section tells us on the left-hand side some very useful insights that could help us strategically. And as you can see, as is a constant throughout the IMN approach, we always get to the point quickly. A short, succinct summary for each insight. Then on the right of those insights, it even gives you some guidance on what to do with that information. As you can see here, this is the insight, and this is the guidance. Again, insight on the left, and on the right, guidance for that insight. The guidance is a form of decision support. Rather than just tell you of a major problem, we'll also suggest some ideas on how others have solved such problems, or how you could. Rather than just tell you about new opportunities, we will also give you some guidance on how to make the most of them. As I said, this left-right pattern will be found throughout the report. You can pause the screen and see what I mean if you wish. There's some really great stuff here. Very precise, very relevant to this particular use case. This, by the way, is our granular bookmarking system. Say I like this insight and this idea, I just bookmark them for easy access. And say this and this too. There, also bookmarked. I will tell you where to find these bookmarks later. But for now, let's go down further and see more sections. I'll scroll down slowly so you can see them. Feel free to pause again if it helps. Here you've got your key alerts, then you have competitor updates, again, info on the left, guidance on the right. See here and here, then you have a sectoral focus section. Super important, of course, again. Let's just say I like these snippets and want to immediately find them at a later stage. I will bookmark them. This and this too. Here is a nice relevant case study for you for a bit of inspiration on how another successful company or person solved a problem you might be familiar with or perhaps could draw some ideas from. Again, I will bookmark this. This button allows you to have the briefing summary read to you in natural language if you are, say, traveling or walking. It uses 1 credit for that, but you also have this more basic feature which uses your device's built-in text-to-speech, which does not use any credits. Here, if you need more depth, you can toggle the detailed briefing for extra ideas that aren't in the short form. It is still succinct, but you have a bit more detail and some new points too at the bottom of this section. Now, the left-right logic still exists. That is insight followed by guidance. But in the detailed section, the top is the insight and the bottom section is the idea. Now, if you like more detail, more depth, then this section is important for you. But let's close it for now and see the rest of the briefing. Here, as you can see, we have the brilliant custom tracker boxes. Using these well can repay your investment in IMN many times over by, say, finding you new leads or growth opportunities that you never even knew existed. For instance, here are the new deal sourcing ideas. We asked for new leads from India and South America, if you recall. And here is the Iran updates box, which we also asked for. These custom boxes provide rare little nuggets, new leads, helpful tips, and other rare insights that could lead to big deals, first mover advantage, and new successes for you and your team. Then, here we see the predictive analysis boxes. Again, some really good data here on hot investment sectors this year and beyond. We can see that vertical AI and defense tech are strong sectors right now, while quantum computing and personalized medicine are flagged for the 5-year horizon. You can, of course, adapt this to whatever you want to try to predict. Below this, we have an inspirational quote, which is also relevant and relatable. That's because IMN even selects quotes based on their relevance to you. A really nice touch. And then below this, you can print or save this briefing as a PDF and bookmark this report. Also, you will remember that we saved individual snippets throughout this report, in addition to the whole report. That allows you to make a library of specific ideas or insights that you can keep coming back to. So now, if we move to the left-hand menu in your backend, that is where your snippets and other key items are stored for easy access. At the top, here is where all of your briefings can be found. Below that are your bookmarks of favorite briefings, meaning full briefings. Below that is your learnings library. The learning section is basically the insights you saved, a collection of important insights you don't want to forget. Then below that is the ideas repository, which contains the snippets of all of the guidance, the new ideas and suggestions you bookmarked, all in one place. You can jump back to the whole report or just read the snippet here. Same for the case studies and quotes. As always, the whole point of this is to help you organize your most important IMN outputs efficiently and conveniently to save your precious time. The Ideas Library can also act as a to-do list of suggestions to implement as if provided by the brightest people you work with or by mentors who guide you, and is super easy to compile over time. The Learnings Library is like the most important insights or even warnings you need to remind yourself of, to manage risk and perform as well as you can. Section 5. Fine-tuning and precision. Now, if the report isn't showing exactly what you need, you can manually enter a follow-on prompt here, asking for additional focus on whatever you wish, or better still, go back to the main AI engine personalization settings and refine your instructions. This fine-tune button is a shortcut to those settings. It's important to remember that the precision of your instructions really does matter. If you tell IMN, I am interested in how investors find new opportunities, the results might be a little vague. But if you say, I am interested in what strategies top investors employ to source high alpha deal flow, the results will be much better. So it's best to always experiment, use your imagination, and be precise to hone the system to exactly what you want. Just play around with the settings until you hit your sweet spot. Section 6. Use cases and industries served. IMN is infinitely adaptable. It can adapt to any use case, even some very personal or out-of-the-box ones, and it always performs with precision as long as you set it up well. For example, a CEO and entire C-suite can use it to create deeply personalized business plans which are relevant to their exact goals and challenges, to manage critical risks they may never see or find growth opportunities they may frequently miss. One IMN briefing can provide the inputs you might otherwise accrue from dozens of different teams, consultants, apps and sources combined, over weeks or months. IMN will do that in 1 to 2 minutes. A team of researchers can also use IMN for super quick, top-level research reports which are precise and highly relevant to their mandate. A sales team or a marketing team can use it as a guide for organizational growth, to better plan their revenue strategy, find new leads or ideas. Or a CFO and their compliance team. They can keep track of every regulation or even micro-clause that matters to them. Public servants, whether a local councillor or a prime ministerial policymaker, can use IMN to come up with useful new insights about citizen sentiment and wishes, and also ideas on how to serve their people better. National security teams can use it as an indispensable open-source intelligence support tool. If you are an investor or have to run a group of companies, you can use it not just to help you as an individual or organization, but to support your entire portfolio of even hundreds of different companies or assets, generating a tailored briefing for each at the touch of a button. It's equally powerful for influencers, public speakers, law firms, and consultants, or solo entrepreneurs and founders. The list goes on, as there is honestly no end to IMN's adaptability and the value it accrues to professionals and organizations. The same, of course, applies to industries. IMN can serve literally any industry, whether it is retail, consumer goods, finance, fashion, manufacturing, or critical sectors like defense, energy, healthcare, cybersecurity, and infrastructure. It's important to note that no APIs or expensive integrations are required for the external intelligence briefings. IMN runs entirely in your browser, making it very easy for your IT department to approve, especially if you are a large organization. Section 7. Pricing, Sign Up and Support. Finally, let's look at the pricing and how you can sign up and how we support you post-purchase. You can subscribe for yourself or for teams of up to 99 users via our self-service portal on the pricing page. We also have low-cost options for small businesses and startups, but some of the features and the credits are of course limited on those. Please note that the prices you see on the screen are from April 2026 and are likely to change with time. For larger corporations, you can start your trials via the self-service portal if you wish, and we also have an enterprise inquiry form on our website. Send us an inquiry there and we will contact you within 1 working day. If you are already in touch with one of our enterprise colleagues or partners, please continue your discussion with them. IMN's system operates on a credit basis. 1 report equals 1 credit, with credits also used for features like the intelligent voice. As you can see, we offer generous support and a comprehensive help section too. We constantly add more features and products and have a multi-year product roadmap in place. So please do expect many more useful features and even entirely new IMN products in the months and years ahead. Okay, so we've covered quite a lot today in less than 20 minutes, and that should be all for now. Thanks so much for staying till the end. I really hope this has been a helpful introduction to IMN, as well as a clear tutorial on how to use it. And I really hope that we can serve you, your colleagues, and your organization very meaningfully for years to come. To sign up or find out more, please visit myimn.com. That's myimn.com. Thank you very much, and bye for now.